What can I do for you?
Doc Zera says you know where I should look for these, bolters. Super fast infected, covered in big green blisters.
Oh, yeah. I can point you in the right direction. Here, and here. Though you ask me, if trouble don't come looking for you, no reason to go looking for trouble.
Words to live by, thanks. Hey, what's up, Spike?
Just FYI, if you need me, I'll be at the ferry station helping Morgan prep the barge.
I'm getting more calls from other parts of the city.
There's a lot to be done around the tower. I hope you find some time.
Come here. I've got a special deal. For you.
People are counting on you to help them out. Please.